This video will show you how to install the ISOChemie ISO Bloco One multifunction sealant tape. It will give you external weather tightness together with 100% air tightness internally and is combined with thermal and acoustic insulation. The tape size is selected to suit the window profile and the gap between the window and the wall. Apply the tape to all four sides of the window with the white airtight foil to the room side. At the corners, allow a small lip for the tape to expand into the apex. When finishing, overlap the tape with a small excess to reduce tension and cut both sides of the tape together at an angle to form a perfect joint. When finished with the roll, clamp it to stop any unwanted expansion. Pre-drill the frame and the tape together to allow the screws to pass through. If brackets were required, fit these prior to fitting the tape on the window frame. The windows are offered up in position and levelled in your usual manner. If needed, packers can be placed under the sill and the tape scored around them to allow the tape to expand past the packers. Once fixed into place, to achieve a 100% airtight seal, put a small amount of adhesive sealant in the tight corners and around any packers and brackets. Once the tape expands, it will seal against uneven surfaces to provide a weather-tight seal to a minimum of 1000 pascals. In general, the gap is now more thermally efficient than the window. For more in-depth detail on your particular contract, contact your local technical advisor.